Hello everyone. If you enjoy what you're seeing right now, please make sure you watch till the end because I'm gonna show you a step-by-step guide on how to do exactly the same thing. Alright, so before doing anything, I want to show you guys how many resources I have at the moment. And as you can see, I got about 30,000 coins and 12 diamonds. The first thing you need to do is go to this site called ontwig.com, as you can see right here. Then you can simply scroll down to find the My Singing Masters app, or you can use the search term as I did. The steps are pretty easy to follow because you'll have to enter your username, then select the platform you're playing on, and next you'll have to choose the amount of coins and diamonds which you want to receive.
Here we go.
Alright guys, so this is the most important step because the site wants to check that you're not a bot. And how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to do it by simply reading the instructions above first. And some of these apps will ask you to run them for about 30 seconds, and some other ones will probably ask you to run to complete a tutorial, for example. But don't worry guys, because these are from official sources, and as you can see while I'm clicking on them, they are redirecting me to the Google Play Store. And even if you're using an iPhone guys, to complete this step there is no problem because the process is exactly the same thing. The only thing which might be different is the list of the apps which you get right here. Please carefully read the instructions for each app guys, because at the end of the video I want you to be able to get the same result as me. I want to make this video as short as possible, so I'm just gonna skip the most of the insignificant parts of it.
I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering the spirit, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering the spirit, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling.
Alright guys, so this is the moment of truth. Let's see if this thing actually worked. And this is absolutely insane guys. As you can see, over 1 million coins were added, and all my 6k diamonds were also added. And yep, it looks like it worked without any problem. Thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you also enjoy this awesome tool. Have a nice day.